The biggest mistake I see advisors make as they attempt to scale is they stop focusing on their story and what truly makes them unique, and they focus on product or technology or some other thing as a differentiator, which is a really even playing field in today's market. And I think it's easy to forget that people work with people and they want to work with you. And staying true to that is a much better differentiator than getting lost in what we talk about at conferences like this. The most successful advisors that I see are ones that infuse their marketing with their brand's personality and their own personality. So yes, they're talking about what's going on in the market and how it relates to their clients, but they're doing it through their perspective and they're infusing it with their personality. And so events that they host, client appreciation things that they do, prospecting tools that they do, it all comes back to who they are and their story, and that really sets them apart. I believe for advisors that want to stay relevant, you have to look at digital marketing as not the end-all be-all, but as the amplification of everything that you're doing. So this has always been a personality business, right? People want to work with people. And I think it will always be that way. But when you're doing things like client events, when you're doing prospecting events or a community event or something like that, being able to use your digital marketing to scale that and get it in front of a wider audience both before and after the event, I think is what's really going to make a difference for those that want to grow.